everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the contents that are inside Zoya's mystery box because I have it right here. Now Zoya did contact me. They asked me if I was interested in sharing the box with you guys, and of course I said yes. I am incredibly excited about this box. I've never received one before, so this was my first time doing it. I will say I did already go through everything. I unboxed everything so we can just get through this smoothly, but I'm really excited about what's inside. So this mystery box is available until January 26th. In order to get it, you need to go to Zoya's website. You need to put 3 polishes in your cart and use the coupon code MYST38 at checkout, and you will receive this box for free as well as free shipping. Zoya says this has a value of over $100, which I think it's a pretty good deal to get this for free. So first things first, this is the box. As you can see on top, it includes a little pamphlet that tells you about what's inside and goes a little bit more in depth about each individual product. So if you're not familiar with something inside of this box, you do have the information in this pamphlet. You also get quite a few coupons. So Zoya is being very generous when it comes to these coupons. There are 3 coupons for 1 free polish and free shipping for any order over $15. Now each coupon is only valid during a specific time period. So the first one is only valid during the month of February, the other one is only valid during the month of March, and then the last coupon that is for 1 free polish is only valid during the month of April. But you get other coupons as well. There's one coupon that expires on the 30th of April that gives you 1 free Cutica lip balm and free shipping with an order over $15. The other one is 1 free lipstick and free shipping on your order of over $15. This also expires on April 30th, and then the last coupon in here is free shipping on any order, and it says international processing fees apply, but this expires on April 30th as well. If you're going to be placing an order during any of those time periods, I would say use those. I would leave them at my desk. That's what I would do. But we're going to get into the actual contents in this box. It does come with a tissue paper covering the top. I did, like I said, unbox everything so we can get through this as smooth as possible. The first one I did not unbox. What are the chances that I pull that one out first? So the first thing I pulled out is the Cutica Cuticle Oil Gel with tea tree oil. Now this is an actual gel that just melts into your skin, and it does become a little bit oily, which I think the concept of this is amazing because I have used oils in my day-to-day life and those can get really messy. Next up, I see the Healing Hand and Body Cream from the Naked Manicure line. This smells so good. If you have ever smelled the Twilight Woods fragrance from Bath & Body Works, this has a scent that is very reminiscent of that, and I really enjoy it. The scent is light to where if you were wearing any other fragrance, I don't think that it would overpower or clash with it, but it is there enough that you can smell it, but I don't think it's overpowering at all. And along with this, they also included a Naked Manicure Hydrating Hand and Body Serum. So similar concept. This is just a serum and this is for hydrating. The other one was for healing. This comes with a little pump and you just squeeze it out. I think that the pump gives you a lot of control. And this has the same scent as the hand and body cream. They included a Remove Plus, which is their nail polish remover that most of us love. I like the size of this bottle though. I have a size of this on my desk right now, and I like to keep it there so that I have just this little tiny bottle to use to pour a little bit of nail polish remover into a dappen dish for my nail polish cleanup. I find that this little bottle is really, really handy, and I've refilled the one that I have on my desk multiple times. Next up, they included a lipstick. This is the Paisley lipstick. Now, after going through the pamphlet a little bit, on the first page, it tells you, it says what's inside, and it gives you a list of items. Well, this lipstick in particular is not going to be the same lipstick. So not everybody's going to receive the same color. They're just going to include one of their top selling lipsticks. The one that I got is a berry color, and I think that this would be universally flattering. I haven't tried it yet, but I do enjoy Zoya's lipstick formulas. Now the rest of these items are all nail polish related. The first 2 items are the Naked Manicure Glossy Seal. This is Zoya's top coat. The other one is the Naked Manicure Naked Base. This is their base coat, which I don't think I could ever have enough of. They also included the Naked Manicure Lavender Perfector. This is good for yellowed nails. You can just put this on and it'll counteract that yellow in the nails. So this is really good. Also included a mini of their Fast Drops. I really enjoy this. I used it a lot during the fall time and I couldn't stop using it. Zoya does claim that this will dry your nails in 10 minutes or less, and I did find that to be true. So I really enjoy this. This is a midi bottle, so if you ever wanted to try it out, it's a perfect opportunity to do so. The last item that they included is a brand new scattered holographic polish to their line, and that is Brighten. This is a nude scattered hollow, and I'm wearing it right now. I did test it out last night. I applied it last night, and because I wanted to tell you guys what it was like. It's really good. I was able to get it opaque in 2 coats, no problems. You know, typical Zoya formula, so I'm really happy with this. I was actually thinking back in December, I wonder if Zoya's going to come out with any more of their scattered hollows because there's so many other colors they can do, and here they are coming out with another one. I'm really excited about this. I'm currently brainstorming ways that I could use this in a stamping mani, so fingers crossed at the end of the week, at the end of this week, next week's Shop My Stash video, I will have a stamping mani including this. So those are all the items in Zoya's mystery box. Go ahead and let me know if you guys plan on picking this up. I think that this would be good for anybody. If you've been into nail polish or nail care for a long time, I think it's going to work well for you. If you're just getting into it, I think it's going to work well for you. But if you don't even want it for yourself, I think that this would still make a fantastic gift. We are coming upon bridal season, and I think all the contents in here would be perfect for the soon-to-be bride. So go ahead and use the discount code MYST38 if you plan on placing an order this week, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!